Hey guys, welcome back to Food Over Titties. I mean, board. Today, we're gonna cook chicken titties. My way, why it's juicier and more moist and more plump than yours. Cooking these titties 2 ways today. Grilled, pan-seared. Plump, juicy chicken breast. Use one of these. 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all you have to cook it to.
Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. When I hear that music, it gets me on my feet, makes me wanna dance all night. Don't make me remember everything you did, 'cause I don't wanna hurt inside. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. And I always wanna feel like this. I close my eyes and all my troubles fade away. Your wish once got so deep into me, but tonight I won't let that out. Gonna make myself forget about you, baby. Gonna make my head forget your name. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna dance the pain away. Forget your name. Oh yeah. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. Don't need anybody, I just need the beat. I just wanna dance all night. I don't want to remember everything you did. I'm done with the hurt inside. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. And I always wanna feel like this. I close my eyes and all my troubles fade away. Your wish once got so deep.
Don't wanna be all by myself anymore. But I'm gonna eat these juicy chicken titties by myself. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you guys next time. Oh my god, that's good. I don't need you, Andrew. Subscribe, like, follow. See you guys next time.